Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Priang brom biang pisesin to new channel. The mentu loy pagi keman withdraw pisapi na ATM. So today we will see how you can withdraw cash from your ATM machine with your ATM card. So I hope this is an informational video. So please watch till end. You will know how to withdraw cash from ATM. I know most of you know it, but I know some of you who don't know. Bon pi you tip em le bon pi giwa putip giwa tip le tesnya bahaya share sekali vlog yang kita lang nong ro. For those who don't know, stay tuned. We will see the video. And before we start, make sure you subscribe, like, share to your friends. Then come on, let's see the video now. Tenang kang pideban tapi ke card jong pi ATM card mah ni. Tenang ta page tu kalami untuk tika pa enter ikipin jong pi pihak pan enter ikipin jong pi di anda predep enter ikipin klik on bang press here di pihak pan jet klik bang pikwa ting kwa pan withdraw ni jet withdraw tinang tapa pikwa pan withdraw ni credit current saving ni dengan jet kena to kwa pan withdraw kad no kad pa piman anda credit type anto sa yes transaction being processed. Minta nila launching isa nang ne ito nila yo ti pihak penkelai mo ban simi pisa yo ka khang no to napo to ti tangkum to hi anda pedep simi ka kat chongki te perlu kamadio pi tu video nang tu kaman withdraw pisa mon ATM. I hope it's clear. If it is not clear, ada book clear, ada any doubt wa changing AP one. There's new bahaya comment down below what problem you have, then I will make it clear to you. So thank you for watching this video, and if you have not yet subscribe. Press the bell icon, you will never miss any updates. That's all. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Stay tuned, stay updated. Then God bless you. See you next video. Bye bye.